In this chat, we're talking about what to do when a screw is stuck so tight that no usual method seems to work, even after trying Dremel cuts, screw extractors, and flatheads. When you're dealing with a stubborn screw that's super firmly set, the key is to think beyond just one tool or trick. First off, if the screw head doesn't have enough material for the extractor to grab onto, trying to drill into it might just make things worse. Instead, try making a second Dremel cut perpendicular to the first one, turning that screw head into a makeshift flathead slot so you can get some serious leverage with a larger screwdriver. If that doesn't cut it, grab some needle nose vise grips. They're clutch for grabbing the nub of the bolt once the head is compromised. Another pro move is drilling off the head completely. Once the top is gone, you can grip the remaining bolt with vise grips and slowly twist it out. Matching the screw with a drill bit slightly smaller than its shaft and carefully boring it out works wonders too. Don't sleep on Harbor Freight for cheap screw extractor bits. They're like $4 and can save your day. Just remember to go slow with drilling so you don't mess up the threads or surrounding material. One of the biggest mistakes is rushing into drilling or cutting without prepping properly, which can damage the screw or your project. People often try to force the extractor in without enough clearance or without making clean cuts, which leads to slipping and stripped heads. Also, using the wrong size drill bit or screwdriver is a common issue. If it's too big, you'll make things worse. The fix? Take your time, clean up those cuts with a Dremel, and match your tools exactly to the screw size and type. Another thing is not having the right grip. Vise grips or needle nose pliers can be game changers for extracting bolts once the head's gone or damaged. And don't forget to apply some penetrating oil beforehand. It loosens rust and corrosion, making removal easier. Lastly, always protect your work surface and wear eye protection when grinding or cutting. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're looking to connect with trusted local contractors for tough jobs like this, whether it's stuck screws or bigger home repair projects. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to find new clients and keep your schedule full with reliable work.